Hi, I'm Tim from LessonUp, and I'm going to show you about the poll function in LessonUp. This is a great interactive feature, a great way of involving all of your learners in the class. You can use it as the example I've got here on the screen. How are you feeling today? Really easy way of doing that. Using emojis, you can check in on their well-being as they're doing it, as well as their understanding of an activity as you're going along. Really easy to build it into part of your teaching routine at the start or the end of a lesson. So really versatile, even with just the emojis. Of course, you can also use it with text as well, have a more complicated poll if you want to. So I'm going to show you both of these as well. So really simple to do, and I'm just going to do it again because I've been practicing earlier on with these. So you can go down to, you have informative slides here, and then we've got interactive slides, and here we go down to emoji. We've got poll for emoji, poll for text. So really simple to do. Click on it, there you go, you've got your emoji function there. Likewise, I could have clicked onto the text version of it. So enter your question here. So what you've got here is a default screen here. You could alter the background color. You can change the images. Obviously, you can put your question in there as well. And then this will appear on the student's device, whatever you're using, compatible with a huge variety of different systems, the ways you want to do it as well. And then you can get that information from your students. So absolutely brilliant from your learners. If you want to go more elaborate, again, the sky's the limit, because here's an example again. Here's one I made earlier. This is like a fitness related one there as well. Doesn't have to be elaborate as this, but just shows you with the background. If you want to go really flashy and have an animated background, you could. So I added that with the question marks in there as a bit of fun. But you could put any image in there. You could use the AI image generator we've got in LessonUp to do that as well. So again, really useful to build that into part of your teaching, and you can really connect with your learners and also get some really useful information that may be useful in the moment in your teaching, but it might be some useful data that you can reflect on later on as well. It depends on what you do. But anyway, thank you for joining me with that very quick little guide. Have fun with it, give it a try as ever. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.